Hello, welcome to the Crystal Collective jewelry tutorial for the DIY kit for the Blue Cat. This kit comes with one package of beads with everything you need. It has our pre-cut elastic, as well as our 4mm sapphire beads and our rose gold too. So before I get started making a bracelet, I really like to set up my workspace so that I can just go right through the bracelet. And the way I usually do that is with a bead tray. If you don't have a bead tray at home, I like to use a little square of fabric to keep my beads from bouncing away, or some small dishes or ramekin you might have laying around. Now before we get started, let's make sure that our tape is nice and secure on the end of the elastic. We don't want any beads to go flying after we've done all the hard work of stringing them. These little sapphire beads are 4mm, so they're kind of tiny, but the finished product is just so pretty. It's worth a little bit of the extra work. So this bracelet's pretty straightforward. You're just going to go ahead and string all of your beads, all of your little sapphires onto your string. And just keep going. You want to fill up your string. Now I have already strung all of my sapphires here. Get the gist. Once you have all of the sapphires on the string or elastic, you want to take your rose gold filled tube and you're just going to slide that alongside. That's what it should look like. We're going to take the tape off the end and slide the beads down there and try it on. Hold it, before you tie a knot, hold it nice and tight. Try it on and see how that fits. That looks great. Then we're going to hold the two elastic tails very nice and tight against the last beads. Tie a single knot and tie that knot nice and tight. And we're going to do the same thing, and we're going to do a double knot right on top of that. Double knot right on top of that one. Just like that. That nice and tight. And then cut off the little tails there. And there you go. There is the Blue Cat. Perfect. Hope you enjoy your Blue Cat sapphire bracelet. See you guys next time.